Alright guys, let's get back at it. Justin's not here again today, so I'm on my own. Scraps on this side, I gotta release it on this side. Got a fridge, a washer, some aluminum last night. Aluminum's the good part. You always want to separate your aluminum. I always tie my refrigerator doors shut so they're not flapping when I'm driving. And like I said last night, you always want to check your refrigerators and make sure there's no food or nothing in them. The scrapyards don't like it when food's in them. I never pick it up if there's food in it. Go get the snips. Oh yeah. I'll show you where to cut it, bud. I always try to take it from up here for more wire. Snip it. And then you pull it through. Come on, get off there. Now, look how much all the extra cord you just got. And then you take it. Hey, leave that over here. You take it and you put it in the bin. My bin's over there. Oh, a good example. Like I said, aluminum. You want to take it and put it off to the side. So what I usually do is buy aluminum. Is I bring it over here and I toss it on my big trailer. Since my big trailer has a flat tire right now.
Where do I put this?
That's trash. I don't know why that got picked up. And sometimes these scooters are aluminum. So you want to put that off to the side and test it with a magnet. Let's see those.
Is that metal or
No, it's plastic. Just like this one's plastic. Well, this one's wood, actually. I don't know why those got picked up.
If this is metal, is this metal?
No, it's plastic.
I don't know why this got picked
Give me the
up.
snips.
Snips?
Right there on the floor.
Yes.
See, more copper wire. Always right here on the back of the fridge. Copper. Washer.
I don't know why this.
Copper wire.
This
Take
is,
that and take this and go put it in my copper wire bin.
This is metal.
No, that's aluminum. These I don't really like picking them up, but that's all right. I'll take them this time.
Is this a ornament?
No, that's metal.
It's metal.
Ah, no.
Oh.
Yeah, put that back.
I'm getting ready to help. I'm helping your daddy.
Move, I said. Alright guys, we're at it again. We're to Kenmore tonight, Akron. If you like and subscribe to my channel. We get some interesting stuff. You never know what you find. Like I said before, stay tuned till Friday. That's when I haul in all my stuff. Hey, if you look right there, there's some baby gates. Go ahead and grab the baby gates.
Does she need my help?
No.
Daddy. Do you want me to go with you to taking a scrap?
No. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, there's some more stuff here. I could come back to you guys after I get this loaded up. Alright, bye. Alright, let's see what we got. Another bike. Oh yeah. Oh, I think this bike might be going home with me. I might try to save that bike. Put it in here for now. Get the snips, just snip that. Of course. Yeah, grab that bike right there and help me. Let's see.
You want the vacuum cleaner?
No, I just wanted the cord off of it. Oh, here's one. Oh, Ashley, come here.
Here's teamwork.
Hold that. I'm gonna see if I can pull this off of this box spring. Yeah.
Hunter, wait a minute.
Pull this mattress like this. Hold the mattress like that. There you go. I know.
I got it.
Let's see that flash there.
Oh, you're still recording.
Yeah, I know. We'll just have to pull this damn thing out of here. If I can pull this damn thing out.
Oh, the bitchy. Oh, don't fall.
Alright, Hunter. Let go of it. Hunter, just let go of it, buddy.
Come on. Let go.
Do you want me to?
what do we got, guys? Ugh. A sink. Ooh. I would like a sink. So as you see, all we did was just flip the screw up on here real quick and threw that chair thing on top of the grill. And I'm actually using scraps instead of bungee cords. I don't like those bungee cords. They smack me in the face too many times.
Ha
Pick that up.
Tie this off right here.
You can go ahead and get back in the car, baby.
And I need to use the bathroom.
Your son needs to use the bathroom.
What do you gotta do, dude?
Pee.
You just don't have to wait, dude.
All right.
Yeah. Did you already start?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got a grill and a little chair type bench or something you could lay into. I don't fucking know what to call those fucking things. But
So which one first? This one? And now you just pull it. Do not record that.
I'm gonna try to figure out how to load this big ass fucking thing.
And the
But I want to take these grates out so I'm not dropping them on my head or nothing.
it'd be funny, Daddy. Don't slam it on me.
Alright. Just shut that off and. Alright, guys. Sorry, I got I had a couple of stops. I couldn't record that because there was people outside. But here's a microwave we just came up on.
You need help?
Yeah. Hold the camera.
I want to help.
Oh, you want to help hold it? You want to help take this out?
Oh, shit. Jeez.
There's a hole there.
Hunter,
It's like, jeez.
go help Daddy, baby.
Alright.
Careful.
Careful, there's a hole. Do not record that. Sorry. Oh, but,
All right, let's go. But as you see, we're getting a trailer load. All small shit. Some bikes and shit you guys seen us pick up. But I'll see what else. Let's see what else we can find on this night. This is Wednesday night. In Akron, Ohio.
Oh, plastic toys.
Yeah.
Okay. I just need something.
We're not getting nothing big, but we're filling up the trailer. That's what I like to see. Every bit of it counts. And like I said before, please like and subscribe. And like I said before, please comment. I'd like to know where you guys are from. Where you guys are watching from. That's 6:46 right now. Oh, there's some kind of aluminum chair, it looks like. Yeah? Oh, I don't know about aluminum.
I got it.
You got it? I don't know about the aluminum part, it's kind of heavy, but
I got it.
come on.
Get across the street.
I
I'll
got
help you pull it up.
I don't need help. I don't need help.
Yeah, let me make sure this is in good. That's what I like to see. Getting that trailer full. And like I said, stay tuned till Friday. I will take it all in and let you all know how much I made. I think it might be a 2-load day. I take 2 loads in a day, I don't care. Maybe 3. Let's see what we get. And like I said, I got that washer to pick up on Saturday from that one lady that I talked to, the first stop I picked up.
Got a popcorn machine.
But I'll come back to you guys when I find something else. Alright, thank you.
There you go.
Alright guys, it's 7:14 now. My trailer's full, as you've seen. I can't fit no more. So I'm going home. Over here by Papa John's and the Dollar Tree and all these Five Below and shit. Yeah, over here on Waterloo. Yeah, Waterloo Road in Akron, Ohio. But as you guys can tell, I got the trailer full back there. like I've been saying, you never know what you find. Good old Speedway. But I'll catch you guys here in a little bit for my last for the exit at home. Alright, bye. Just like that, guys. Got some aluminum clutches and a microwave, popcorn machine thing. And then she asked me to come back Saturday for a stove. See? You always want to talk to the people that's throwing stuff out. If they offer you stuff, don't be afraid to look at it, see what it is. Might be something you could take for scrap. Or it might be something you could use. So, I'll come back to you guys with the rest of that on Saturday when I go. But, we're still in camera. Pallets. I don't take pallets.
Things are heavy.
They're heavy. Yes. There is a place you can sell pallets out here in Akron, but I don't really get into the pallets. I don't know what they're paying out here. But I guess I'll see. Don't you guys know what I find next? Stay tuned. Hey guys, we got something right here, man. Some kind of cage. Not doing too bad. Thank you. Alright guys, you guys see what we got? A bunch of miscellaneous stuff, some bikes. Full trailer load, that's what I like to see. And like I said, man, you guys always want to check your boxes and stuff, man. Because, man, we found some nice fucking LeBron James shoes
and
a pair of Jordans
that are clean white.
And there's white. Still have plenty of traction on the bottom. Good for a couple of uses. You never know what you find, man. That's why I say you always want to check every box as you can. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I said before, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's see what we can find tomorrow.
Until next time.
Until next time.
Well, hey guys, we were going down the road and come across this. Right here. You can see everything still.
Pull this out so we can get it loaded. right here. Back here. Right here. Found it. That down. Oh, that's still leaking water, y'all. Take a bite.
Alright guys, so lady wasn't home for the stove, but we got a bike and a cord.
And we're gonna take the bucket to stick.
There's a sink here too. Like Joey was saying a little bit ago, never know when you guys are done. Always have a camera or something nearby so you can record.
Put that seat down real quick. Oh shit, I knocked your phone down, but
Joey just knocked all you guys down.
sorry, I knocked you guys down for a second. And the bucket just sticks, I said. I can always burn the bucket to sticks. Put them in the back. Nice low Lowe's buckets and sticks. I can burn the I can burn the sticks. I
Sticks.
don't need those. I just wanted the buckets. Alright, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Alright guys, so we're gonna sit here and unload this truck.
Oh, the
car.
as Justin drops you. Yeah, we're gonna unload. Wasn't planning on getting more scrap. I thought I was done for the night, but ended up getting that washer after I picked up my wife. So I was like, shit, I don't have my trailer, but I can still haul it. So I just tossed it in the back of the car. But definitely got a load going. Showing the load.
Oh yeah, we definitely got a load. We got the whole trailer full. We got refrigerator, all these appliances. Yeah, heck of a load. More than one load, actually.
Probably about two loads, I think. Maybe 3.
Depending on what you get tomorrow.
Yeah. Depends on what we get tomorrow night. And then Friday morning, I'm gonna be hauling it all in. And then sometime Friday night, we'll have another video uploaded of the payout. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. I'm done for the night, for real. I'm parking this car. I'm going in.
Eating some spaghetti because we're hungry.
We're about to go eat some spaghetti because we're hungry. And then get back at it tomorrow. Like it says on my thing. Eat, sleep, scrap, repeat. Eat, sleep, scrap, repeat.
Alright guys. Peace.
Hey guys. See, my trailer was full. You guys see, I already went out tonight. I was done for the night. I went to go pick up my wife from work. And boom. There's a wasp. You never know when you're done. You always look. Always keep your eye out. The white ass suit, you drop this. Ow. Got it. Move. Now we're about to go see if we can get that stove out that lady's basement I was telling you guys about earlier. Yeah, that one and this one. Now you get that one back down, and I'm going to get this one back. Yeah, put the doors back in here. We don't need that.
We'll see you guys in a second once we pick this. If we pick this up.